What's up, guys? Welcome to the DIS channel. I'm super glad to have guys here today. So today we'll be looking at this strategy right here. Just boom and crash scalping strategy, which you can use to catch 5 to 10 candles until you're out of the market. So I'll be giving you guys the settings and the confirmation, the confidence, and everything you need to know about strategy. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss any DM explanation about the strategy. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, enter a posting strategy. You guys should be aware. So let's quickly jump into the strategy right here. Now, the first thing we want to go through here is that we are going to set the settings for the strategy. So moving on to the indicator window. So now this is the indicator that we need for the strategy. We need the 2 moving average, the RSI, the Parabolic SAR, and the 1 moving average in the indicator window 1. So we need 2 moving average in the main window. So adding the first moving average up, so you just need to go to the main window plus, and then you search for the moving average and click on it. Now the first moving average is the properties for the first moving average. Just screenshot or set everything up as it is. So when you set everything up like this, then you click on done, and you are going to have your first moving average right in your chart. Now open up to the second moving average. Now this is properties for the second moving average. Now set everything up like this or do a screenshot. Now set everything up like this, then click on done, and you are so good to go. Now we have set the main window indicator, so we are moving on to the indicator window 1. Now this is the first indicator that we need for the indicator window 1, which is the RSI. Now click on the plus right in your main window. So when you click on it, and search for your RSI and click on it. Now this is the properties for the RSI. Now set everything up like this or do a screenshot. Now about the levels, we need 4 levels, which is the 90, the 10, the 5, and the 85 levels. So we set the levels up, click on done, and then we set the properties up also, click on done. Now moving on to the second indicator window 1 indicator. So now, which is the Parabolic SAR. Now once you add the RSI up, it's going to be listed in your indicator window 1. So click on the indicator window 1 plus, and click on it and search for your Parabolic SAR. Click on it, and this is the properties for the Parabolic SAR. The start is 0.050 and the maximum is 0.050 also. So I set everything up like this and click on down, and moving on to the last but not the least indicator, which is the moving average. Now click on the plus, search for your moving average and click on it, and this is the properties for the moving average. Do screenshot or set everything up as it's supposed to be, and click on done to set everything up. Now this is how your chart is going to look like when you set everything up. Now this strategy is useful on both the pump and the crash, and all the pump and the crash. Now for the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, just zoom in once, just zoom in twice. One, zoom in twice, then you are good to go. When you zoom in on, just zoom in twice, and then you are good to go with the zoom level. Now how are you now going to make your strategy? Now make sure you listing good with the settings of the strategy. Make sure you listing. Now this first you need to look out for when you want to take trade with the strategy. And the first thing you want to look out for is your indicator window 1. Sorry, this is the main chart, main window indicator. Now you can see we have this right here. We have the green one and the red and the black one. Now our expectation before we take any trade out here is that when you see the green line crossing above the black line, when it cross above the green moving average cross above the black moving average, when it crosses, then before we know that, you have to make sure that you check your indicator window 1. Now this is what you need to see in your indicator window 1. First thing is that you want to see the moving average touching the 10 levels of the RSI, and the Parabolic SAR move below, which you can see right there. It move below the moving average and also touching the 10 levels, but sometimes it may not touch it, but it needs to move below the moving average, which is that it will go along with the moving average. You can see it's at the top right here, and you have to make sure that you see it below the moving average. When you see that, then that's when you need to check your main chart and see this confirmation also. You can see it crossing above it. If I zoom, you can see the crosses right here. You can see the crosses. Now just make sure you see that crosses before taking any trades. So when it crosses, then There's expectations to catch your candles. If you this candle is more than 5, it's more than 10. So just catch your 5 to 10 candles and then you are out of the market. Now, same thing available as these strategies. You can see as much as trade every single day, but not every time you are going to stay in the market. But as soon as you are staying in the market, you will surely see an opportunity to take entries and then you make your money. As simple as that. Now, moving on to the boom. Now, moving on to the boom right here. Now, on boom 500, boom 500 right here. Now, are you not going to take trades? Same thing applicable on this boom. And this is just an opposite direction. Now, the first one to look out for right here is make sure that you see this right here. Upon checking your indicator on the one, you have to make sure that it's the moving average touching the 90 levels of the RSI. When it touches the 90 levels of the RSI, you have to see the Parabolic SAR moving above the moving average. This is, you can see the Parabolic SAR below it. Now you have to see it above the moving average. When you're seeing above the moving average, then you look into your main chart. Upon looking at your main chart, this is what you need to see. You have to see crossover, which you can see how this crossover happens right here, which means that the green line is scrolling below the black line. When it crosses, then you want to take your you want to catch your candles. You can see this more than 20 candles right here. Catch your candles and then you are out of the market. As simple as these strategies and as simple as effective these strategies. This strategy is 100% calculated strategy. It's one of the crazy strategies you can be using to make money trading the market. It's a crazy one and it's very, very useful strategy. You can catch as many positions as you like, catch as many trades as you want with this strategy. Just wait for perfect confirmation, perfect confluence, perfect condition for the strategy, and also make sure that you back this strategy on your own. Figure out how you're going to make your own trading criteria and understand your strategy to make money. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor by subscribe to this channel, like the video, and turn on post notification anytime I post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.